Coronavirus has changed how all of us are working. In this RMTV special, we take a look at how we're responding to the cleaning standards challenges posed by COVID-19. The safety of our employees is our #1 priority as we continue to deliver for our customers, country and company. We've enhanced our cleaning regimes through increased frequencies and additional cleaning of high contact touchpoints. We've followed Public Health England guidelines on products and protective equipment. And we've implemented 2 new cleaning response standards. Providing insight for this RMTV special are frontline cleaner Jean Jones and supervisor Rebecca Ferguson. First, here's senior SHE business partner Richard Booth-Davey.
We've got 2 levels of enhanced clean following a confirmed or suspected case of coronavirus, and they're completed based on the risk level. They're called precautionary and intense cleans, and they're both targeted cleans that cover the areas where a symptomatic individual has been. The precautionary clean is using the same methods and chemicals as the new standard cleaning approach, and the intense clean is using an enhanced level of PPE, the virucidal chemical, and an additional application of bleach spray as an extra layer of protection.
We're doing daily stock recording, and we're also using a new app for recording all the stock levels in each site within the areas.
We have really upped our game. We have really been on top of everything. We go from top to bottom of the frames, the legs, the chairs, everything.
There's a risk of transmission of coronavirus through airborne droplets, so that's why the social distancing approaches come in. If the virus is on people's hands, or if it kind of comes out of their mouths through kind of airborne droplets, lands on surfaces, people touch that and then touch themselves, their mouths, their eyes, etc., then they can obviously pick it up from those surfaces. So it's absolutely critical that we do keep on top of the disinfecting and cleaning those areas.
Well, our priorities would be the handles of the doors, the switches as you go in and out to get into the buildings, also in the toilets where you do the soap, flush your toilets, and also the paper towel holders. Anything that you're going to be touching needs to be a priority.
Public Health England set out some guidance and approaches for a non-healthcare setting in terms of cleaning standards and cleaning approaches. We've at least met, if not exceeded those. We're using a product that is a virucidal product. So it's been tested in the past against SARS and MERS, which were the bird flu and swine flu epidemics that we saw a couple of years ago. So it's a cleaner and sanitizer in one.
Masks are individual choice, but they're not mandatory. They're not part of the safe systems of work. If people want them, they are available. When you're finished with your PPE, it will be disposed of in bin provided.
We do try, because it's still a building, there's still people coming in, and it's still got to be presentable, but we have got to remember what we've got to be doing first.
They're coping quite well. They do find it very challenging, and it can be difficult when you're more focused on misuse and abuse than getting down to do the real work of the intensive cleans and the precautionary cleans of the area.
The praise is being given to the postal service, but actually without the cleaners and also the rest of the property utility solutions teams that are there helping keeping the buildings healthy and safe and compliant, really the Royal Mail wouldn't be able to continue its job as effectively as it can. So a massive thanks really to all those people who are going out to site and really continuing to give their all during these times.
I feel proud because we're here, we're doing our job. If we keep the place clean, we're keeping the postmen clean, and they're just safe and they can go out and do it.